it's pinched here, so it can't lay all the way in. So if I tighten it, then it gets squeezed and then it won't let go. When I loosen the bolts, it stays jammed up because it's getting pulled in tight. Just a quick follow-up on my previous video. Yost sent me another casting for a base out when I mentioned to them and showed them that video that I posted, the first one, and this one is tight and it spins all the way around, no problem. So this is what I was hoping for. I'm actually pretty happy because this cast seems a little bit better. There's a date stamped in it that wasn't on the other one. This is stamped 6 inches. Painted black on the inside and the other wasn't. And the casting is a little bit of a better surface without bumps. So I wonder if this was an older version that had been cast in the USA that they had in stock. But who knows? I don't know, but they took care of me, and I'm a happy guy. And I'm going to be ready to put this thing to work. We're going to mount it. Alright, there she is. All mounted up and ready to crush some big steel. Can't wait to put this to use, and we are going to.